Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how you can connect to Supabase with Webflow. So Supabase turns static Webflow sites into dynamic applications by providing backend services like databases, authentication, and real-time features. You can connect Webflow and Supabase through the third-party apps that I'm going to introduce you in this video. So there is many applications that you can actually use, but one of the most common ones that has the Supabase integrated in it is called Wizard. So Wizard application is actually available within Webflow, so you could simply just go ahead and install it app, or you could go through here. Let me just go to my dashboard, go marketplace, and click on apps, and then search for it. So you search for Wizard, and here we go. So now what you should do is to simply click on install application, the blue button, and this should take you to here, choose which workspace you want it to be applied to, and then click on authorize application. And there you go. That's pretty much it. It's very simple and easy, guys. So as you can see here, this is the third-party app that will let us use Supabase within Webflow. So now, as you can see, you have to click here to start with Wizard, and they will take you to that page, or basically to the website. So here you would need to actually start by creating yourself an account. So click on login and then log in with FineSuite, and this will take you to another page, which means that you need to create an account in FineSuite as well. So here I'm simply gonna use my Google account. I'm simply gonna click on continue, but there is something that you need to take in consideration, guys. The fact that you will need a premium plan, because this is not gonna last for you for free a lot. So I'm gonna name this test create. Here, let's name it test place YouTube. Okay, this works, I think. So let's wait for it to be created. And basically, once it is created, once you link it with everything, here we go. This should be connected with your Wizard account. That should be also connected within your Webflow account. And within a list that you will find right here, you will find an actual Supabase application that you can actually download and use it for your own case or sake. So for those who haven't seen this pop-up, you can simply go here to the apps and you will find it here. So you can launch the application and you will find it right over here. Very simple, very easy. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.